Hey guys, so today I have another Gus and Bella box to show you. So this is the box that's like for cats and owners. So if you've got a cat, then maybe this is something that you will like. So it works out about £30 a box. You can either get it monthly or you can get it every other month, or you can just buy like a one-off box if you want. So if it's like your cat's birthday or something, then maybe you want to try and treat them a little bit. So I do actually have two separate discount codes. One is for 20% off your first box in a subscription if you get the subscription, and that is LunaLily 20, which I will put here now. And I also have another one which is 10% off a one-off gift box. So if you're, like I said, getting it as a present or just a little treat or something, then that is 10% off, and it's LunaLily 10 again, which I will put here now, just in case you need the spelling or something like that. So obviously, with it being near Valentine's Day, this is a Valentine's theme and it's called Take Meowt. There is still a limited number of these left, so if you do want this exact box, then you can still get this one. Otherwise, next month's box is a Mother's Day theme called Best Cat Mum, because in the UK it is Mother's Day. I know in America it's like different. They do ship worldwide, by the way, for anyone who is wondering. I'm not sure on the shipping cost difference. I'm sure it would probably work out more, but I do know that they ship worldwide though. So on the side here it says delivering happiness to cats and their humans, because obviously, like I said, there is also stuff for you in there as well. So I am going to stop rambling now and just open it. So I actually haven't seen what is in here yet. I have absolutely no idea. As you can see, it's still sealed and everything. So we're going to open this together. So first thing on the top is a little leaflet. Like I said, it's called Take Meowt. And then again on the back it says Best Cat Mum and Dad for the March box. And then inside it has like a little thing of everything that you get. So I'm going to leave this here in case I need it. But there is that. And then there is also this little book called Vet's Kitchen, which I'm assuming is a food. Yeah. So this is about food. I guess maybe we get one of these in the box, possibly. But there is that. So I'm going to open it now and see what is in here. So the very first thing that I see on the top is a owner item, and it is this cute little wooden plaque. So it says all you need is love and a cat, and it's by Sass and Bell. So it has a little like twine rope hanging bit to hang it up somewhere, which is very, very cute. So that is the first thing. And next we have another human item, which is this, which I'm going to assume is chocolate. It says love. It's quite a big bar actually. Yeah, milk chocolate bar. And very cute. Not going to complain about that. Then there is a cat toy, which says King Catnip, which is a heart. And this is filled with 100% organic North American catnip, apparently. The finest in all the land. Definitely can smell it. It smells a little bit like hay, I guess, or straw, that kind of stuff. So later I am going to go and get Bella, my cat, and see how she feels about these treats and toys and stuff. If you've not seen my previous video of this box, she was also in that video, so I'll put the link down below for that in case you want to go and see that one. But yeah, we're going to bring her in a bit and see what she thinks of this. So that is the first cat item. Then we have another one for us, and it's some fluffy little socks that look like paws, which are very, very cute. Kind of like bed socks with ginger and black spots on them. Then we have, let's do one of these. So this is the Vet's Kitchen item, 60% chicken, high in fresh meat. So it says grain-free and hypoallergenic, natural cat food. So I'm not going to use this as a food because I know that she just won't eat it as a full food. She's really fussy. But we are going to try to see if she'll eat some of this as like a treat. It is like a biscuit kind of stuff, I think. So we'll see how she feels about that in a little bit. Then we have some more of these catnip sticks. We got these last time as well, and she actually really liked these. She didn't chew on them, but she kind of licked it and rubbed it on her nose. So I'm going to assume that that's probably what she will do again. But they are literally just like branches. And they are catnip. So there is those. Then we have another toy, which is this. Monty Mouse 2-meter long tailed felt cat toy. It says it's handmade and 100% wool. On the back it says, "Hi, my name's Monty Mouse. I love to run, slide and wiggle as fast as I can from the kitty cats. My tail is so long that I can tease and play with cats for hours on end. I'm carefully crafted by hand to look this cute. What's your cat's name? I really would love to come and play." So apparently this cat has a 2-meter long tail, which I am going to unravel right now and free him from this cardboard if I can. I don't know how my cat will feel about this, quite honestly, but I guess we will see. So this is Monty Mouse apparently, and this is his very long tail. So yeah, we'll see how she reacts to that in a little bit. And then last but not least, we have another Vet's Kitchen food, is it? Oh no, this is treats. So this is chicken and duck, hunter's game and salmon and trout treats apparently, called Little Hearts, which is very cute and goes with the Valentine's theme. So it says, natural hypoallergenic treats your cats will love. Triple treats for 3 times the flavour. All natural, super tasty, good for hairballs, which is good for my cats because they are long hair. And yeah, that was everything in this box. So I am going to go and get little Bella now and see what she thinks of all this stuff. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy watching her do stupid things like she usually does. Okay, so if you didn't see my last video, this is Bella. She looks a lot less scruffy than she did last time. Last time she had a wet neck. This time she has a bald head at the side because she had a knot. But there she is. So let's see what she thinks of these things. I noticed this actually has a like a Velcro bit so you can refill it. Okay, she's not a massive fan of this just yet, but let's open some of these treats and see what she thinks of these. So this is, oh no, she's starting to love this. This is the Vet's Kitchen like cat food stuff. I'm just going to put a little pile here, see if she wants to try some of that. But she seems to be starting to like this little catnip heart right now. Look, mean. Want them? Apparently not. What are you thinking, baby Belle? Are you just mad at me? I just woke her up from downstairs, so she's not in the best mood right now, but you not want those? Okay, let's open the treat ones. These are the little hearts that are supposed to be different flavours. Let's see if she wants any of them. You not want this? Bella is literally the fussiest cat ever, by the way, so that's why she's probably not eating anything. She doesn't really like treats and stuff. She is more of a toy kind of girl. The mouse is also here. You like him? What are you thinking, huh? Is there just too much going on here? There's too many things. We finally got a bit of a reaction to something, or is it just still this catnip toy that she likes? Yeah, definitely just still the catnip toy. Oh. You like that one? Oh, yep. We like this one. definitely a favourite one then. Biscuits over here got no reaction. My bed is now going to smell like cat biscuits, which is lovely, but she is definitely loving this catnip heart one. Okay, let's try these catnip sticks again like last time. Last time she just kind of rubbed her nose on these. So let's see if it has the same effect this time. This is what she did last time. She just kind of like cleaned her nose with it for some reason. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute, little bean. We'll brush you with it. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Yeah, that's definitely the favourite one, I think. Rolling in all... Oh, we're bringing this one in now too. Please don't strangle yourself though in the 2 meters of mouse tail. Well, I think it's safe to say this was definitely her favourite. Like I said, you can actually refill it. There's like Velcro at the side. Treats she wasn't a fan of, but she never is, so that's not against them. That's just literally she doesn't really like treats. And I think she quite likes this too. I think she's just not really in a playing mood because I went and woke her up, but that is that anyway. See this again. Oh, that was the tiniest lick I've ever seen. Yeah, so that was Bella reacting to the stuff from the Gus and Bella box. Just for a quick overview again, so you can see everything together. There was these treats from the Vet's Kitchen. There was the food from Vet's Kitchen. There was the little socks for us. Just put these here. In fact, I'll just hold one. There was the Love chocolate bar. There was the Catnip Sticks. There was the little wooden plaque. The very, very long-tailed mouse. And the King Catnip Love Heart toy. So that was everything in Gus and Bella's Take Meowt Valentines box. I hope you liked it. I will put the link for them down below in case you want to go check them out, and I'll put my discount codes down there too in case you do buy anything. I hope you liked watching Bella as well, because she is always very, very cute and very scruffy. She's a scruffy little girl. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.